Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zoho CRM for workflow rules automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Zoho CRM website. Click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Select the appropriate country from the drop-down menu. Click on Sign Up for free. Check your email for a confirmation message from Zoho. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. Once redirected, you'll be asked to set up your account. Fill in your company name and phone number. Choose your preferred currency and click Continue. You will be prompted to complete your profile with details about your role and industry. Select the options that best fit your needs and click Continue. You will now be taken to your Zoho CRM dashboard. To set up workflow rules, navigate to the Setup icon on the top right corner. Under Automation, select Workflow Rules. Click on the Create Rule button. Choose the module you want to create a workflow for. Name your workflow rule in the designated field. Define the trigger criteria for the workflow rule. Select when you want the rule to be triggered, such as on record creation or editing. Add any additional criteria if necessary. Click on Next to define the action your workflow will take. Choose the type of action, such as sending an email or updating a field. Fill in the details for the action you selected. Click on Save to finalize your workflow rule. You will see your newly created workflow in the list of rules. You can edit or delete it at any time from this section. Test your workflow rule to ensure it functions as expected. Monitor the results and make adjustments if necessary. Explore other automation features available in Zoho CRM for enhanced productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.